हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, मैं कुसुमलता खूटे गवर्नमेंट केजी आर्ट्स एंड साइंस कॉलेज रायगढ़ से। ये टॉपिक है हमारा एक्वेटिक पॉल्यूशन, जो एमएससी 4th सेम केमिस्ट्री से पेपर सेकंड यूनिट 4 इन्वायरमेंटल केमिस्ट्री से है। इससे पहले हमने इसी चैप्टर से हाइड्रोलॉजिकल साइकिल और हाइड्रोस्फीयर के बारे में चर्चा की थी। आज हम एक्वेटिक पॉल्यूशन के बारे में चर्चा करेंगे। एक्वेटिक पॉल्यूशन, water pollution occurs when untreated waste is released into the body of water. Polluted water can cause the destruction of plants and organisms living in or around the aquatic ecosystem. It can also harm the people, plant and animal who consume it. Categories of water pollution. एक एक कैटेगरी देखते चलेंगे। सबसे पहले ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल्स देखेंगे। These materials contain molecules that have carbon in their makeup. One of the most frequently detected volatile organic chemical is methyl tetrabutyl ether, जिसे हम MTBE भी कहेंगे। MTBE was formerly used as an air cleaning gas additive. Although it is now a banned chemical, it will take years before MBTE is thoroughly removed from contaminated water system. Water contaminated with this organic chemical can cause leukemia, lymphoma, and tumor in the testicles, thyroid glands, and kidneys. दूसरा पॉइंट देखेंगे इनऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल का। इनऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल in particular heavy metals like arsenic, mercury, copper, chromium, zinc and barium, though harmful in very small concentration, act as pollutant when they end up concentrated in water. This can be due to leaching from waste disposal, increased human activity or industrial accident. This kind of water pollution, especially in higher concentration, can cause severe health problem in human and other organism up to and including death. अगला pollutant pesticides. Pesticides are among one of the major water pollutant. Agricultural practice, including large-scale application of pesticides in field and forestry, have led to the fast growth of agrochemical industries worldwide. However, this with the domestic activity of controlling pests, various pesticides have entered into the surface and groundwater resources. Phosphate often used in form of pesticides in water soluble, and within a period of a few weeks phosphate added to the soil convert to less soluble form if it has not been taken up by plant and results in runoff. As a consequence, phosphate are responsible for the eutrophication of fresh water resources, thereby increasing algal growth and reducing other life forms in life. Agricultural pollutant. Agriculture play a major role in water pollution around the world. Every day, farms release a large quantity of organic matter, agrochemicals, sediments, drug residue, and saline drainage into bodies of water. Nitrate from manure, fertilizers, ammonia, and waste is one of the most common contaminants found in groundwater aquifers. These toxins can harm fish and the other animals. Nitrates also soak into ground and can end up in drinking water. If ingested, agricultural waste can cause illness and even death. Other pollutant sewage. Every day we cook, do laundry, flush the toilet, wash our cars, showers, and do many things that we use water. Think about how we use water in schools, hospital, and public place. Where do you think all the water liquid waste pop up and urine end up? In many developed communities, wastewater and soluble water is treated, cleaned, and dumped into the sea or river. Even though they are treated, they are never the same as fresh water. In some not so developed countries, the sewage is not treated but quickly dumped into the sea or water body. This is very dangerous because they contaminate the environment and water bodies and bring many deadly diseases to us. Oil spills. Oil spills usually have only a localized effect on wildlife but can spread for miles. The oil can cause the death to many fish and get stuck to the feathers of seabirds, causing them to lose their ability to fly. Oil pollution. Oceans are polluted by oil on a daily basis from oil spills. Routine shipping, runoff, and dumping oil spills make up about 12% of the oil that enter the ocean. The rest comes from shipping travels, drains, and dumping. And oil spills from a tanker is a severe problem because there is such a huge quantity of oil being split into one place. Oil cannot dissolve in water and forms a thick sludge in the water. This suffocates fish, gets caught in the feathers of marine birds, stopping them from flying and block light from photosynthetic aquatic plants. Other potent detergent. The hazards of detergents to water, one of the main source of chemical pollution in everyday detergents. Many laundries detergents contain approximately 35 to 75% phosphate salt. Phosphate can cause a variety of water pollution problems. For example, phosphate tends to inhibit the biodegradation of organic substance. The detergent can contain suspected carcinogenic and ingredient that do not fully biodegrade. Detergents also may contain oxygen reducing substance that may cause severe damage to the fish and marine animals. This may also lead to eutrophication. Eutrophication is a process by which a water body becomes enriched in dissolved nutrients. It has negative impact on the environment, especially on aquatic animals, because water rich in nutrients stimulate the growth of aquatic plant life, resulting in depletion of oxygen. Thank you.